Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and also show you how to install and couple this fan by yourself. The name of this fan is Hansen electric fan. It's an 18 inches fan and also it has a remote control. So join me as I unbox it and also show you how to couple it. So inside the box, everything is like dismantled. You have to couple it by yourself, but it's very easy to do, so I'm going to show you how I did mine. Inside the box is just everything you need, all the parts and also the screws or whatever you need to couple the fans yourself. So this is everything inside of the carton. This first one here is the motor, and also it has a little of the stand of it, like half of the stand is on the motor itself. So let's see. And then the other half of the stand, the remote, the base, and this is half of the fan, the blade, and then the other half of the cover fan, and this is the manual. Alright, let's start the coupling. First you get half of the stand and then the base, and you can tie it from under. You'll see that there's a screw, a small black screw that you're going to use. Yeah, this is it here. Just tie it to the right hand side and make sure it's firm. Then just push this top cover so that it will cover the base. Now let's couple the top of the fan. First you get the back cover and then you align it with the motor. After that, just make sure it's aligned properly. Then you're going to need this small screw also, this black one. Just tie it with your hand. You don't need any screwdriver or anything for now. Tie it firmly also. And now you are going to put the blade. When you're putting the blade, just make sure that the two markings on the blade is rhyming with the iron that is coming out from the motor. Just put it gently, and then once the thing is fitting, once it's fitting, you just tight it now with this other top cover screw, and make sure it's very tight as well. See, very simple. Now you just have to cover the top, and then the top half of the fan will be ready. Since you already have the base ready, all we did now is just to free this cable and then connect it together, the base and the top. If you look closely, you see one small screw that is there. Take it out and then put the top of the fan. Make sure that the holes are in the same setting. Then you put the screw back in the same hole and then tighten it with a screwdriver. I think this is the only part you need screwdriver for the whole of this fan. For every other thing you can do with your hand. So it's just one small screw that you're going to need to tie with screwdriver, just on the base. So now you're just going to test the fan and see how it's working. First you plug it to a socket, and then I think it will show the indicator light that it's on, but it will not turn on by itself, so you have to use the buttons to turn it on. You can see it's working now. You can adjust the speed. It have up to 8 speed levels. You can adjust them from 1 to 8, and then it has a timer. Like maybe you are leaving the house, you can set the timer to how long you want. After then it will trip up by itself, and then how to turn off the lights. So, and also for the remote, every button there on the base is still the same way it is on the remote. So instead of tapping on the stick, you can easily just tap on the remote. See, it's working perfectly. And then for the speed, you can also regulate it here on the remote. Just basically everything on the base is the same thing on the remote. This is the timer, also working from the remote, and this is the light. So everything is working perfectly. As you can see, it's very easy to couple. And if you are not clear of anything, you can read the manual too to be sure of it. But from this video, it's very straightforward for you to couple it. And see, everything is working perfectly. Thank you for watching.